Welcome to our guide on the Wells Fargo mobile app, an essential tool for modern banking at your fingertips. Let's start by downloading the Wells Fargo mobile app from your App Store. Simply open the App Store and search for Wells Fargo. If you're new, select Create an Account. For existing users, just enter your login credentials and sign in. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Here, you can easily navigate through your accounts. Tap on your accounts to view balances and recent transactions, giving you a snapshot of your financial status. Need to transfer money? It's easy. Select Transfer, choose your accounts, and follow the prompts. Stay informed by setting up mobile alerts for account activity and reminders through the app settings. Easily manage your payments with the bill payment feature. Just enter your bill details and submit. Need help? Access customer support directly within the app for assistance or resources. To make the most of the Wells Fargo mobile app, explore each feature and customize your settings to suit your needs. Happy banking!